Welcome back. It's Bunnybun and me. What do you like to do for fun? What's your hobby? Hobbies are things we love to do in our free time. Let's learn about some fun hobbies together.
Ooh, I love hobbies. Some people like drawing, some like dancing, and some, like me, love climbing trees and making art.
That's right, Max. There are so many hobbies to choose from. Reading, biking, cooking, or playing music. Whatever makes you happy.
Let's take a look at some fun hobbies. Maybe you'll find one you love too. Reading is a hobby where you open a book and go on an adventure. You can read about animals, magic, or even outer space. Do you like drawing? Drawing lets you create pictures from your imagination. You can draw a cat, a castle, or even cute rabbit like me. Swimming is so much fun. It's a great hobby that keeps your body strong. Don't forget your floaties and sunscreen. Riding a bike is a great way to explore. You can ride fast or slow, but always wear your helmet. Watching TV is a hobby too. You can watch cartoons, animal shows, or fun learning videos like this one. Do you love to sing? Singing makes you happy and helps you learn new words and tunes. Fishing is a quiet hobby where you wait for a fish to nibble your hook. It's relaxing and fun. Playing soccer is an exciting hobby. It helps you run fast, work as a team, and score goals. Dancing is a hobby that lets you move your body to music. Let's dance together, jump, spin, and wiggle. Cooking is a yummy hobby. You can help make pancakes, sandwiches, or even cookies with a grown-up. We had so much fun learning about hobbies today.
Drawing, dancing, biking, there's a hobby for everyone.
And the best part is, you can try something new anytime you want.
What's a hobby you love? Ask a grown-up to help you draw it or share it with a friend. See you next time. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep having fun.